Guys, I finally found an AI tool that you can use to generate video up to 5 minutes, and you don't need prompt to generate videos using this AI tool. All you need is just your script. You paste your script and this AI tool is going to generate a full video for you in less than 1 minute. I use the same AI tool to generate this video you are seeing right here. This video you are seeing right here. Let me play the video so that you are going to see how the video look.
The day they laughed at his torn slippers was the day everything changed. He walked home under the hot sun and made a promise he didn't fully understand yet. He studied with borrowed books, read by flickering lamplight. Many nights he felt like giving up, but every hunger became fuel. His small idea turned into a business. That business grew. One morning he drove past his old school in a car
Now you have seen the video. With this AI tool, if you are the type who wants to be creating storytelling videos or African folk story, all these storytelling videos or any type of videos, you can use this AI tool. All you just need is just to get your script, and with your script you can generate the entire video without prompting, without generating the images. The AI tool will undo everything by itself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to use this AI tool and start generating videos for yourself in less than 1 minute. And without wasting much of your time, let's go driving into it. Now, this is the AI tool. So to get access to this AI tool, I'm going to leave down the link to this AI tool in the description of this video. So you can check the description of this video or the comment section of this video, and you are going to see a link that will take you to where you are going to sign up to. And remember, when you register on this AI tool and you use my promo code that is showing right now on your screen, they are going to give you 100 credits that you can use to be generating videos every day. Now, let me show you how this AI to work. Now, when you come here, you are going to see different type of AI model they have if you want to generate image. When you click on this video icon also, you are going to see different type of AI model they have to generate videos. As you can see, different type of them. Now, you can click on this minute and you can see you can generate up to 15, 30 minutes, 45 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, up to 5 minutes video using this AI tool. Now, I want us to test it together. This is what I want us to do right now. Let's go to ChatGPT, and on ChatGPT, I'll write a simple prompt. I'll say, write me 200 words emotional story of a boy who become successful. Start with a hook. Now, this is the story ChatGPT write for me. So you can go to ChatGPT and get your story. You don't need prompt to prompt everything. Just get your story from ChatGPT. Now, after getting your story, you copy everything. Now, after you copy everything, you come back to the AI tool here and you paste your script. You paste your script here. And after you paste your script, now you put it on, you select the time. So let's use 1 minute, or you can decide to choose 2 minutes or 3 minutes, anyone. But I don't want this video to be so long, so I'll put it on 1 minute. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this video icon here. So you select any model you want to use. I'll leave it on this model. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this next here, or generate icon here, this box here. You click on it. Now, when you click on it, you just have to give it some minutes. So don't forget to use my promo code. Now, this is everything, our prompt. This is everything. Now, the next thing we are going to do is still talking for 1 second. So let's give it some minutes. Now, it's thinking already. It's going to think and analyze everything. Now, as you can see, it's analyzing the story. The story we just gave to it is analyzing everything. So we just have to give it some minutes, and it's going to analyze it and give us the perfect story, how the story should be, everything. Now, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where it will ask you to select your aspect ratio. If you are using it for TikTok, you are selecting for 9.16, for YouTube 16.9, or if you want to customize your own, you can click on customize. But right now, I want to use it for TikTok. So, like on Facebook, I'll just click on the 9.16 and it will bring you to an interface like this where it will ask you to also select your minutes, how long you want your minutes to be. So you can click on customize and put 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So now the next thing, it will bring you to an interface like this where you can select the cinematic way or any way how you want your video to be. So I prefer using the first one. Then the narration, the person voice you want. How did you want the narration, or you want only the music, or you want the narration plus the music? then you select it. Now after you select all those things, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where it will analyze everything together, like your music, the aspect ratio you select, how long you want your video, the cinematic way you want your video, the narration, everything is going to analyze it. So after it analyzes it, it will start thinking about it again, and it will generate it in perfect way that you are going to like it. So just give it some minutes. You have to be patient because this is an AI, so it will have to analyze your story so that it will match with each other. The storyline with the person is going to use everything so that it will going to match with each other, because this AI tool is just a single AI tool that generates the full video for you without like you generating images, generating voiceover from somewhere. No, this is going to undo everything, and it needs to get everything done. So right now, as you can see, it's still thinking about it. So let's give it some minutes. But before that, now as you can see, it has analyzing it. It has analyzed it. You see the full story here. So before that, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, just hit that subscribe button right now, so that anytime we drop videos like this, you also be among of the people to be watching our videos. Now let's give it some minutes. It's still thinking about it. Yes, let's give it some minutes. The aspect ratio, the duration. So this video I just generated for 1 minute. So if you want for 5 minutes, you can include it there. You want for 10 minutes, you can include it. Now as you can see, this is everything about the video. Everything about the video. It has analyzed everything, how the video should be. Now all you just have to do is just to click on yes, generate, and it will start generate the video. Now as you can see, it's still thinking. Yes, it's still thinking. So now as you can see, say creating video. So it's creating our video, and in some minutes it's going to bring you to an interface like this, and you click on cancel, maybe later, then it will start generating your video. Now it's generating the video. So wait, I know you are enjoying this video tutorial, but as you are watching this video right now, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go back to our video. So when you come to the media like this, as you can see, you are going to see all the clip of the video is generating for us. All the clip just by simple prompts, and we are generating everything. So this is all the media. So let's wait for the video to complete. It's still merging everything together. So you can decide to add your transition. As you can see, all your transition character, you can change the character, you can add transition, you can check the effect, you can add text or caption. If you want to put caption, you can just put a caption here. As you can see, you just click on enable caption, and you select the type of caption you want. You can just put it on. If you want the caption, as you can see, different type of caption here, you can just select anyone. Then after you select it, the next thing you are going to do, as you can see, you have put your caption. The next thing, you can just click on this export here, and when you click on export, it will bring you to an interface like this. Then you can select your aspect, your resolution. You can put it in this 1080p and your medium size. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on export here. Now when you click on export, you are going to see it will start exporting your video. So you just have to give it some minutes, and it's going to export your video to your phone. So let's give it some minutes. Now the video has been exported, so you can just click on this view here. As you can see, you click on view your video, you click on it, and when you click on it, you are going to see your video here like this. As you can see, this is
The day they laughed at his torn slippers was the day.
As you can see, everything. So if you want to edit it more, you can just click on this edit again, and you edit it. You can change anything here, you can change anything here, you can change it. So if you want to download it to your phone, you just click on this download here. Click on this download, and it's going to start downloading to your phone. This download here, you click on it, and it's going to download to your phone. So this is how you are going to use this app to generate videos for yourself. Up to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, any minute you want, you can generate the video, and the video is going to be saved to your phone. Guys, you have seen everything from beginning to the end, how you can use this AI tool to generate videos for yourself. So don't forget, if you want me to teach you one-on-one class on how you can create AI videos, you can chat me up. You can check my bio or description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp number. You can chat me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to respond to you and teach you how you can use different type of AI tool to generate videos for yourself. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.